Mr. Sa Pilipinas 2024, and you're going to compete
For
this
Misters
year.
of Pilipinas 2025.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Paul Cervantes from City of Malolos and now currently newly crowned Misters of Pilipinas Bulacan.
Alright, anong feeling mo tonight?
Of course, sobrang masaya ako. Hindi ako nag-expect ng kahit ano tonight. I did my best and now I have the right to represent my province Bulacan in Misters of Pilipinas.
Sino-sino gusto mo pasalamatan?
Of course, my team, Runway Institute, Novora Center, my family and friends na nandiyan nanonood, and sa lahat ng walang sawang sumusuporta dyan online. Thank you so much.
I think you're going to compete for Mr. Sa
Yes.
Pilipinas. So, ano mga preparation mo?
For now, matutulog muna ako. And after that, for sure, i-exceed ko yung preparation ko for this Ginoong Bulacan. Ile-level up na natin since it's a national. So, we'll definitely compete for Misters of Pilipinas.
Okay, so we're looking forward to see you on the national stage for Mr. Sa Pilipinas. Congrats and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Elite Male Pageantry.